Hello and welcome to Peggy's Tropical Garden, coming to you from the Florida Keys with a plant mail unboxing. Today's package comes from Farmer Joe's Plants, an online store that I have never shopped from before, but I'm very excited about the plants I ordered from this company. They have a very well organized website, easy to order from, and I received my package very quickly. So I'm very excited. Let's get to the unboxing. I'm in Florida. This company is located in Florida. So I received the package in 4 days, and I did not order a heat pack since we don't have any freezing temperatures or anything like that going on. And as you can see, the package was sent priority mail. It has some kind of Department of Agriculture statement on it. So, appears to be a very reputable company. So let's get into this box and see what I have here. This company offers starter plugs, full-grown plants, newly rooted plants. So they have a nice variety. They have garden plants, landscaping plants, as well as house plants. So they have something for everyone as far as I'm concerned. And the prices are extremely reasonable. So didn't waste any time getting into this box. I'm that excited. Yes, I am. And here's what it looks like inside. You see a little soil, but the plants are wrapped in newspaper and taped to the box. So everything looks like it made it here without being knocked around. So we'll see when we look at the plants. Okay, with the tape, I couldn't just rip the box. So let's see what this is. There's invoice showing me what I purchased and some care instructions here. So that's always good. I feel like that's a nice touch because everyone has different skill levels. There might be plants in here that you're not familiar with and things like that. So also on their website in the plant description, they did have care instructions for the plants. And I think that's so important because sometimes we order plants that we're not familiar with dealing with that species of plant or whatever. So it's helpful. Okay, we're getting in there. Trying to get in there. It's kind of difficult. I can't just pull the tape like I want to because I don't want to bend the plant. I have really high hopes for these plants. This seller has several other items I'm interested in, but I wanted to start off slow and just see how it went. So I'm very excited. And here we have the first one out of the packaging. This is a Paulownia watermelon. I saw another YouTuber with one and decided I had to have one. I've been wanting this one for a minute. Very nice plant. Okay, online it said that this would come in a 2-inch pot and it would be 2 to 3 inches tall. And I can clearly see that all of that is true with this plant. And it appears to be very healthy. So 1 down, 3 to go. I'm really excited about that. Isn't that cute? I love it. I can't wait to watch it grow. So far, fabulous. And I think it's safe to say they really packaged these plants well. Now we are on to the next one. I'm always excited about finding new stores to order from. I know there's many people who are unwilling to make purchases of plants over the internet or through the mail, and I get it. There's always going to be a certain level of risk involved because you're buying a plant sight unseen from a person you don't know, and you don't have any control over how long shipping will take. So I totally understand. But when you're trying to buy less common plants that aren't really readily available locally, you don't have a lot of options. So it's always nice to try new sellers. And look what we have here. This is Philodendron Red Imperial. It's a starter plug, and it looks really, really good. The ad said that this plant would be between 3 and 5 inches tall, And I would say yes, it is. It's got several leaves. It looks pretty healthy, although some of the leaves have holes in them. But they do have a statement on their website telling you that they only use organic pesticides, because they are bee and butterfly friendly. And I understand that. We are beekeepers also, so I understand, and I'm not concerned about the holes in those leaves because I know that new leaves will come. So, beautiful little starter plug. I'm really liking the starter plug thing. So with that, we're 2 for 2. Everything is going well. I'm very pleased with this seller, and I think I'm going to be going back and ordering a few more plants from them. Now, the ones coming up, I'm very excited about. You'll see why. Now, these are the ones that I really, really hope arrive safely. I was more concerned about these than any of the other plants. So, no reason to think that everything isn't perfect because so far, everything is just as it should be. I'm quite pleased. So, let me get this one from being taped to this box. It is stuck on here pretty good. Nothing shifted around during shipping. I'm sorry. Today I'm having a hard time speaking. Everything's like a tongue twister. Do you know what this is? Because you see the leaf sticking out. Oh my goodness, look at this. I've really been wanting one of these. This is not an extremely rare plant or anything like this, like that, but this is one of my wish list plants, so I'm very excited about it. Yeah, let's see, get this paper off. I'm trying so hard not to rip up this plant. It's hard when the plant it's floppy, really floppy. Oh, look at this. It's got sphagnum moss around the roots and in plastic. You see that? That's an Alocasia Regal Shields. And I got 2 of these. One of them is a starter plug, and this one I believe is the 4-inch pot. So very, very nice. Yes, this is the 4-inch one. It has to be. It's nice and full. 3 nice leaves and 1 unfurling. Oh my gosh, I'm very pleased. I'm very happy about that one. And I'm just realizing I said that I purchased 4 plants, and I actually purchased 5. So there's 2 more to go. And there's another wish list plant in here, not the other Regal Shield, but there's another wish list plant in here. So I'm excited, and I have no reason to think it's not going to be fabulous like the other ones have been. This is so great. You have to check out the site, Farmer Joe Plants. They have another name. Well, you'll see when you go to the website what I'm talking about. But anyway, Farmer Joe Plants, I'm very excited about having discovered this place, and I will be shopping there again. These plants are in excellent condition. The prices are extremely reasonable. Yeah, they're small plants, because I'm choosing to go small on these, and I'm thrilled. I'm totally thrilled. They're nice and healthy. Oh my goodness. Do you see this one? Oh my gosh. So everyone now knows what this is, but isn't it beautiful? The only other alocasias I have are 2 alocasia polys that I purchased at Walmart last summer. And oh my, look at this. This is an Alocasia Frydek. Look at these leaves. They look like velvet. Oh my gosh. This plant is so beautiful. I've only seen them on the internet, and wow, this is so pretty. It looks much nicer in person. I am thrilled. And they said this plant would be between 5 and 6 inches, and I don't even need to pull out the measuring tape on this. It is for sure. It's packed up in sphagnum moss around the roots in a plastic bag. So excellent, excellent. I'm so excited about that. And now let's free this final plant. And this is going to be the Alocasia Regal Shields starter plug. But the funny thing is the 4-inch pot Alocasia Regal Shield, they said, would be from 3 to 8 inches. But the starter plug, they say, is between 5 and 6 inches. So I'm thinking this one should be nearly as large as the one in the 4-inch pot. So we will see. They did say that in the 4-inch pot there'll be 1 to 2 plants per pot, whereas with the starter plug there's only 1 plant per pot. So yeah, I guess that would make a difference. Needless to say, the 4-inch pot costs a little bit more than the starter plug. But so I'm really curious to see how big this starter plug is, because I see a leaf coming out of the top. So this appears to be a quite a large starter plug. Get this. Look at this. Yes, this is a great size for a starter plug. Or you know what? I'm thinking maybe this is the 4-inch one and the other one is the starter plug. Yeah, I'm a little confused. I don't know which is I think, yeah, this one that I just pulled out is the 4-inch pot and the other one is the starter plug. Which, wow, that's a pretty big starter plug when you can't tell the difference. And there you have it, my unboxing from Farmer Joe Plants. So it's time for me to go clean up. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.